Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are amazing for helping you to create medium and low content books. Now, in order to analyze the profitability of these keywords, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to analyze them using 4 free Chrome extensions, which you can access using the Chrome browser. They're all for free and they all help you to come up with the profitability data that you need to analyze the keyword research for each of the keywords. Now let's have a look at the first keyword for today's video. Just before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more daily videos such as these, where we dive into profitable Amazon KDP keywords on a daily basis, as well as share with you tips, hacks, strategies for passive income online. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for the day is how to draw books for kids 8 to 12 kawaii. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Kawaii. So it has a keyword niche score of 52, which is good, by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, which gives us this beautiful bar right at the top here below the keyword. We also have the total results sitting at 1,133, which is within that 1,000 range. Also, the average bestseller rank is currently at 322,184, which is nice because it's within that 300,000 range that we would like it to be. The average reviews are 1,403 and the average price is $9.60. Now, preferably when you want to be creating how to draw books for children, it would be a large print, so it would be an 8.5 times 11 inches. And here we have a beautiful long tail keyword that has everything that we need to get started. First of all, we've got how to draw, which is the theme of the books, the interior of the books, and it's going to be a medium content book. It is for kids that are aged between 8 to 12, and the theme is kawaii, which is, the theme of the interior of the book, the style of the instruction, the types of drawings that we're teaching children to draw. Now you can go ahead and get interiors for this kind of books using Creative Fabrica. We're going to do that together just shortly, but just as a quick reminder, we have beautiful metrics right over here: a strong keyword niche score, total results within that 1,000 range, average bestseller rank within that 300,000 range as well. So for this reason, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro for the keyword niche score, because it does not match the data that we have right here, and I'm going to stick with the 52. And this is exactly why you need to have all of the Chrome extensions activated and working and updated, so we can have something to compare against. We won't rely on 1 or 2 tools, we'll rely on several tools to analyze the profitability of these keywords. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go together to Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to interiors, KDP interiors. And we're going to write just simple how to draw kawaii. We'll see what comes up. Hopefully there are some interiors that we can be able to have a look at, and then the next step would be, if you find interiors that you like, you're going to download 1 or 2 of these interiors. You can edit them in whatever software you edit. I use Canva Pro. You can get a 30-day free trial for both Canva Pro as well as Creative Fabrica 30-day free trial all access for Creative Fabrica, which allows you up to 10 downloads during that 30-day period. So you're going to download whatever interior that you're comfortable with. You're going to edit it as well, change around the type of font that is used, the border as well, a little bit of elements here and there, but not too much, because especially when it comes to how to draw niches, we don't want to go in and change the exact image used on the how to draw, because this is going to change the result as well. So here we have a list of 56 results for the keyword how to draw kawaii, and this is exactly what we need right now. Now we can also sub niche according to whether we want it to be for girls, whether we want it to be for boys as well, because here it's not indicative, it just has kids. Now we do have the age range, which is 8 to 12, but we can also sub niche according to the types as well of the kawaii right here. So we've got a beautiful list of 56 results that you can also personally have a look at as well. So right here was the first keyword, was how to draw books for kids 8 to 12 kawaii. Let's have a look at the second keyword. It is shadow work guided journal for beginners, 365 journal prompts, and it has a wonderful keyword niche score of 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, which has a keyword niche score scale between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest and the strongest. So I'm personally happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements the data that we have right here, all the juicy stuff. Total results sitting at 99. The average bestseller rank is sitting at 47,955. So the total results are under 1,000, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is really low. It is under 300,000, which is also great to see. The average reviews are 280 and the average price is $14.50. And we have a really good specific long tail keyword right over here. So the type of books that we created is a guided journal. The level of difficulty it is for beginners, so we're starting really with the basics. So it's a combination of a guided journal that contains journal prompts, and it contains, the number of journal prompts are 365. So it is a yearly guided journal. So each page is contains one journal prompt, and that would be also under that journal prompt would be a lined sheet, a space to answer that journal prompt and to write and to reflect on it. And it's going to be a total of 365 pages if you would like to add in a extra page for this book belongs to, maybe a disclaimer as well saying that the this guided journal is for educational purposes only. It's not intended to be used as a substitute for psychological treatment or psychological therapy as well, because really what shadow work is, and the idea behind it, is that it's basically a type of therapy that dives into, or claims that it dives into the subconscious thinking patterns as well, to really uncover these traumas that we've had, and triggers, and basic kind of trauma triggers, pain, psychological and emotional pain that we're having as well, bad experiences that we've caused ourselves and also by other people, and really uncover these and work on them and heal them and reflect on them. So we need to have some journal prompts, a list of 365 journal prompts, which would be a yearly one. So it would be one journal prompt a day, a total of 365 journal prompts to do with shadow work for beginners. So maybe also having an introduction page would be nice, because you're working with beginners who haven't really worked with journal prompts or haven't worked with shadow work before. So guiding them, providing that step-by-step process on how to use this journal, a page for introduction, a page at the end for maybe some references, further reading that they can do if they would like to dive in deeper into the shadow work niche as well. That would be amazing. So take advantage of this beautiful keyword right here. Total results on 99, which is really low, and I would ignore the number 30 given by Titans because it does not complement this data that we have here, and I'd rather stick with number 8. So then again, activate all of the Chrome extensions so you have a strong foundation to compare against. So the third and the final keyword is how to draw 101 cute animals for kids, and this has a keyword niche score of 50 by Titans and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Also coming to the total results, they're sitting at around 1,000, and they are sitting at exactly 1,011, and the average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher end, and it is averaging 538,362, and the average reviews are 1,991. Average price is $8.61. Now you can niche down whether you want it to be for girls, for boys. You do have it is for kids, and it does contain 101 cute animals for kids. So specifically the interior will be how to draw cute animals, and it will be a total of 101 cute animals. And ideally it would have this book belongs to page as well. Ideally it would be a large print, which is 8.5 times 11 inches. So just as a quick summary, the first keyword was how to draw books for kids, 8 to 12 kawaii with keyword niche score 52. The second one was shadow work guided journal for beginners, 365 journal prompts with a keyword niche score of number 8. And finally, we have how to draw 101 cute animals for kids with a keyword niche score of 50 and a keyword niche score of 8. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.